Now we will talk about manual time entry in TeamTrace. TeamTrace gives you the option to add manual time for users in case there is any discrepancy in their timesheet for any reason whatsoever. Navigate to Settings, and under TeamTrace Setup, click on Productivity. From there, you will find the manual time entry option. Here, you can choose which employees you want the manual time entry option to be enabled or disabled for using a simple yes or no toggle button. The All row at the top will apply this setting to all employees across your organization. You also have the option to filter by people or department as per your needs. Once this permission is enabled, as an admin, navigate to People Screenshots under Productivity and search for the user for whom this permission has been enabled. In the top right corner of the screen, you will find the Manual Time option. Click on it and you will be presented with the interface to add the manual time entry. Here, you can select the work type, date, start and end times, and add a note describing what this manual time entry is for. All of these fields are mandatory. You may also attach any supporting attachments if needed. Once done, click Add. The manual time entry will be added successfully. You also have the option to delete a manual time entry if needed. Please note that deleting any entry from the People Screenshot section will permanently remove that time log.